Hi there, students. To praise or to acclaim? What's the difference? Well, to praise something or to praise somebody is to say that they've done something good, to express admiration or approval for one of their achievements or something they've done or a personal characteristic. So I praised the student for his essay. This is a really good essay. His parents praised him for getting good marks at school. The work that the advertising department had done was praised by the boss. To acclaim is much more than this. To acclaim is to praise publicly. And normally to acclaim, it's not just one person, it's various people, a group of people. So to acclaim, to approve of something enthusiastically and publicly. So I could praise my student for his good essay. I could praise him in front of the class. That's the beginning of acclaim. I acclaimed the student's work in front of the class. Although I don't think this is public enough. The essay was put on the school notice board and it was acclaimed by various teachers. This is getting closer to acclaim. The essay was published in a national newspaper and it was acclaimed as a fantastic essay by many different people. This is definitely to acclaim. So publicly acclaimed, widely acclaimed. You could have critical acclaim. Critical acclaim is where the critics of a certain field say this is really good. His new play received great critical acclaim. The critics said this is a brilliant piece of work. He is known by his work. He has international acclaim. His work received international acclaim. People from different countries said this is really, really, really good. So it's extremely popular. So to praise, this is good. This is really good. Well done, mate. Acclaim, hey guys, look at this. This is brilliant. And then everybody else says, yeah, it's really, really, really good. That is acclaim. Okay, so you can praise something. It's just a more one-to-one situation, or this is a much smaller situation. Whereas acclaim is where lots and lots of people are talking about it. Yeah, if you hide your light under a bushel, then you will receive no acclaim. But if you let everybody see it, then you may well receive public acclaim. Okay, so to praise, this is good. To acclaim, to shout it from the rooftops. To praise is a verb, a regular verb. Praise, praised, praised. He praised my work. He has praised my work before. They acclaimed my work. My work was acclaimed. Notice very often to acclaim is used passively because we don't want to define all of the different people that are praising the work, that are saying it is good. Yeah, so notice the difference there. To praise is a word 5 formality. You can use it absolutely anywhere. I think acclaim, I might give it a 6. I think you could use it anywhere as well, but it's probably a little bit more on the formal side. As to origin, praise comes from the Latin verb pretio, to value or to prize. Yeah, pretium, price, worth, reward. And then to acclaim, again from Latin as well, ad clamo, to cry out, to shout out. There's even a Latin word, acclamo, to applaud, to raise a cry at. So this is from clamo, to shout out, to cry out. Okay, so to praise. To praise is just something more individual. Whereas to acclaim, this is something much more public. You shout it to everybody. This is absolutely fantastic. He was acclaimed for his fantastic work throughout the country. He received national acclaim, whereas he received praise from his teachers. He received praise from his friends. Yeah, his parents praised him. And that's the difference. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Praise and acclaim.